So what does a truly future-proof career in tech actually look like in, say, 2026? Here's a hint. It's not about chasing whatever job title is trending this week. No, it's all about building a specific set of skills. In this explainer, we are going to build the exact blueprint for a career that's not just stable, but has a huge impact by decoding what the industry is really asking for.
So let me ask you straight up, is your career ready for what's coming? The tech world is changing, fast. I mean, faster than ever. But the cool thing is, what's in demand today gives us a really clear map of where things are headed. So let's use that map to get you ready.
Okay, let's dive right in. To figure out the future, we've got to start with what's happening right now. So which jobs are employers practically fighting over each other to fill? Well, the answer reveals a really fascinating pattern.
To absolutely no one's surprise, AI and machine learning engineers are at the top of the list. These are the folks building everything from your Netflix suggestions to the models that help businesses see into the future. This isn't just a fad, you guys. It's one of the fastest growing fields on the entire planet.
Next up, we've got the digital guardians of the galaxy. You know, as cyber threats get scarier and more complex, the need for cybersecurity specialists is just skyrocketing. We're talking about the people who defend our data, our networks, and our apps from all the bad guys out there.
And then you've got the people who build our entire digital world, cloud computing professionals. Seriously, with just about every company moving online, knowing your way around platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP isn't just a nice-to-have. It's the bedrock that modern business is built on.
And of course, the data wizards. Data scientists and engineers are so critical because they're the ones who turn all that messy, raw data into actual, usable insights. They build the systems that power analytics and, you guessed it, those very same AI systems we were just talking about.
And the list just keeps on going. Full-stack developers, DevOps engineers, even these brand new roles like AI prompt engineers, the people who actually tell generative AI what to do. But hang on, if you kind of squint and look at all these jobs together, a pattern starts to show up. What's the common thread here?
Well, that brings us to the absolute core of this whole thing. It turns out, it's not really about any one job title. It's about mastering a set of 4 foundational skills that are the engine behind almost every single top job in tech today.
First up is AI and machine learning. This is all about building the brains of the operation, you know? It's the ability to create systems that don't just follow a list of commands, but can actually learn and make their own predictions.
Second on our list is cloud computing. Just think of this as the essential infrastructure, the roads, the power grid. It's knowing how to build and run apps anywhere in the world at any size. Let's be real. Without the cloud, modern tech just grinds to a halt. Third, we have cybersecurity. And this one is totally non-negotiable. It's all about protecting everything we build. In a world where data is basically gold, being able to defend digital stuff is an absolutely critical skill to have.
And finally, data science and engineering. This is the fuel for all our smart systems. It's the skill of taking massive piles of raw data and turning it into clean, useful information that helps businesses make smart choices and powers those advanced AI models.
So here's the big takeaway. Knowing one of these skills is great. It'll get you a job. But combining them, well, that's how you unlock a genuine career superpower.
So you've got these 4 pillars, right? AI, cloud, security, and data. And it's so important to get this. This isn't just a random list of buzzwords that sound cool.
No way. It's a formula for success. The real magic, the thing that makes someone completely invaluable, happens right where these skills overlap and make each other even more powerful.
Let's have some fun with this. Think of it like you're creating a tech superhero. Your cloud skills, that's your super strength in flight, the power to go anywhere and operate at a massive scale. Data skills, that's your super intelligence. You can spot patterns and see the future. AI skills, those are your advanced abilities, letting you build incredible things with that intelligence. And security, that's your invulnerable shield to protect it all.
And hey, this isn't just me making up a fun analogy. Industry forecasts for 2026 are pointing to this exact same conclusion. This combination is precisely what employers are looking for when they need to fill their most important high-impact jobs.
Okay, so we've covered the what and the why. Now it's time for the how. How do you actually take this idea and use it to build your own career superpower?
Let's look at a real-world example to make this concrete. In a market like Quebec, the hottest jobs are a perfect mirror of this formula. Applied AI engineers, cybersecurity architects, cloud architects, and data engineers. See? This isn't a theory. It's what's actually happening in the job market right now.
And having this mix of skills, it really pays. Because there aren't a lot of people who can do all these things, it drives salaries way up, often starting well over 6 figures. That's what the market thinks this formula is worth.
So here it is, your blueprint, a simple 3-step plan. First, get the fundamentals down cold. You gotta have strong programming and systems knowledge. Second, and this is key, intentionally combine the power skills. Don't get stuck in just one lane. And third, prove what you know with well-respected certifications. That is your path to becoming indispensable.
So there you have it. We've laid it all out. The demand is obvious, the formula is incredibly powerful, and the blueprint is right here in front of you. The only question left is, what kind of hero are you going to become?